Hello, good morning mga kasinsilyo Kabarya. Here is my collection of 1 peso coin, BSP coin, starting from 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Then for the next page, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and then 2017 NGC coin. The next page is 2018 high mint mark. Then 2018 common. Then 2019 high mint mark. Then 2019 low mint mark. Then I have here a commemorative coin of Dr. Rizal, 150 years, starting from 1861 to 2011. I have here 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3. Then I have also a commemorative coin of ASEAN 50. This one. Then I have here a rare coin, year 2014. As you notice, the back of this is also his reverse. You notice this one? Oh, yeah. That is year 2014, a rare coin. Then I have here also commemorative coin. This is 2 peso coin. This is Manuel Rojas. Manuel Rojas. I have 2 pieces. Then the other one is the commemorative coin Antipolo Rizal, ika-400 taon ng Antipolo Rizal, from 1591 to 1991. So yun ang mga na kolekta kong mga piso coins starting from 1995 up to 2019. Thank you. Yun lang. Salamat.